Hi, I'm Ravi. In this session, we will see few string manipulation related tasks. First, we'll start with concatenation and repeat. So here, strings can be combined using plus operator. Example, string 1 equals hello and string 2 equals world. And I would like to add additional space between hello and world for output. So I'll add additional space during using a print command. So string 1 plus in double quotes a space plus string 2. Check output. First, launch interpreter mode from command line. Go to CMD prompt and type Python. It will take you to the interpreter mode. First, add variables string 1 and string 2. Then your print command to join string 1 and string 2. There you go. Next example would be repeat. Repeat a string multiple times using multiplication operator. Here, example, I would like to print hello string 3 times. Okay. Let's say, because if we don't give a space mark here, what will happen? Hello will be displayed multiple times without any space mark. So I'm adding a space within the string itself. So print command string 1 multiplied 3 times. Okay, check first string, then repeat print command. Okay, next is comparison operators. Comparison of strings. So here, example, string 1, you give a fruit name, banana. String 2 would be apple. If these two strings values are same, the output will be Boolean result, which is true. Check print string 1, string 2. First, string values. Next would be print compare to compare both strings. See, if both strings are not same, it will be false output. Now let's say if I want to compare same string values, output will be true. Next is if it is not equal, if I use not equal operator, so what will happen? I'll use both strings same. If it is not equal, okay, then it will be true because both strings are not equal. Correct. Okay. Now, if I want to check alphabetically, which one appears first? Alphabetically, which string appears first? Okay, that means I will use greater than and less than symbol. Print string 1 and string 2. So here A comes first, okay, in alphabetic order, and B comes second. So check here. It will be false. And if I reverse it, it will be true. Okay. Thank you.